Good morning students, welcome back to the class. Today also we are going to see about chapter 12 ratio and proportion. In last video we have discussed how to represent ratio, right? Shall we recall now? Yes. Look at this diagram. How many red balls are there? 4. You are having 4 red balls. And how many green balls are there? You are having 7 green balls, right? Now we are going to write ratio for green balls to red balls. The order of the number is very important, right? So first green balls. How many green balls you are having? 7. Next ratio is represented by using symbol colon, right? Next red balls. How many red balls you are having? 4. So green balls to red balls, the ratio is 7:4. Next you are going to find ratio for red balls to green balls. How many red balls you are having? 4. Colon represent ratio. Then how many green balls you are having? 7. Now look at these two ratios. 7:4 and 4:7. Both are equal? No, both are not equal. While writing ratio, the order of the number is very important. While writing ratio, the order of the number is very important. In this above example, we compare two quantities in terms of number of red balls and number of green balls. This comparison is known as ratio. We denoted ratio using symbol colon, right? That colon indicates division. Now we will discuss word problems, how to represent ratios. First exercise 12.1, 12th question. Cost of a dozen pen is rupees 180 and the cost of 8 ball pen is rupees 56. Find the ratio of the cost of a pen to the cost of a ball pen. Now we are going to find the ratio for cost of a pen and cost of a ball pen, which means we are going to find the ratio of one pen and one ballpoint pen. First I have to write the given data. The cost of 1 dozen pen is rupees 188. Already you know, right? 1 dozen, which is equal to 12 items, right? So 1 dozen pen, which is equal to 12 pens. Now we are going to find cost of 1 pen, right? Cost of 1 pen. Here you are having pen, right? So you have to write pen as denominator. 1 dozen means how many pens? 12 pens, right? So 12 pens cost is 180 rupees. Now we are going to find 1 pen, right? So both number will divisible by 6. You will get answer as 30/2. Next both will divide by 2. You will get the answer as 15/1. So cost of 1 pen is rupees 15. Next you are going to find the cost of 1 ballpoint pen, right? So the given data is cost of 8 ballpoint pen is rupees 56. Now you have to find the cost of 1 ball pen, right? Here you are having ball pen, so you have to write ball pen as your denominator. How many ball pens? So cost of 8 ball pen is 56 rupees. Both will divisible by 8. So 7 8s are 56 and 1. So cost of 1 ballpoint pen is 7 rupees. Now we have to write the ratio. The ratio of a pen to the ratio of ballpoint pen, right? Already you have found the cost of 1 pen. Cost of 1 pen is 15 rupees and cost of ballpoint pen is 7. So the ratio of cost of a pen to the cost of ballpoint pen is 15:7. Next concept is find ratio. Now we are going to find ratio for these two numbers. How you will find ratio? Here these two numbers are having any units? No units, right? So directly you can find the ratio. If when you are comparing two quantities, the two quantities can be compared only if they are in the same unit. If they are not in same unit, you have to convert as same unit, then you have to find the ratio. Here you are having two numbers, you are not having any units, so directly you can find the ratios. 81 to 108. First step you have to write as fraction. So 81 divided by 108. Now you have to reduce the fraction. Both number will divisible by 9. So 9 by, you will get answer as 9 by 12. Next, both 9 and 12 will divisible by 3. You will get answer as 3 by 4. So 81 to 108, which is equal to the ratio 3:4. Okay, next, now we are going to find ratio for 30 minutes to 45 minutes. 30 minutes and 45 minutes. Both are in same unit, right? So directly you can find the ratios. First step you have to write as fraction. So 30 by 45. Both number will divisible by 5. You will get answer as 6 by 9. Next, again 6 and 9 will divisible by 3. You will get answer as 2 by 3. 30 minutes to 45 minutes, which is equal to the ratio 2:3. Okay, next one, 40 centimeter to 1.5 meter. Now we are going to find ratio for 40 centimeter to 1.5 meter. Check the units 40 centimeter and 1.5 meter. Both the two units are different, right? When two quantities can be compared only if they are in the same unit, right? Here now check the units. The two are different units, so you have to convert as same unit. Now centimeter and meter, you have to do conversions, right? Already in decimal chapter we have studied conversions. Shall we do now? Yes. First, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Now I am going to convert 1.5 meter into centimeter. So 1.5 meter, which is, for converting meter you have to multiply it by 100, right? So you will get answer as 1500. How many decimal place you have to keep? One decimal place. So you will get answer as 150 centimeter. Now can you find the ratio for 40 centimeter to 150 centimeter? Check the units. The two units are same, right? Now you can find the ratio. First step you have to write as fraction. So 40 divided by 150. 0 and 0. We can cancel it. Next 4 by 15. So 40 centimeter to 1.5 meter, which is equal to the ratio 4:15. Next one, 30 minutes to 1.5 hours. Check the units, minutes and hours. The two are not in same unit, so you have to convert as same units. Well, already we have studied 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Now I am going to find 1.5 hours to how many minutes? So 1.5 multiplied by 60, you will get answer as 900. And how many decimal place you are having? One decimal place. So keep one decimal point. So you will get answer as 90 minutes. Now we are going to find ratio 30 minutes to 90 minutes. Both are in same unit, right? Yes. First step you have to write as fraction. So 30 divided by 90. 0 and 0 cancel it. Next 3 by 9. 3 by 9 both will divisible by 3. So 1 by 3, which is equal to 1:3. So 30 minutes to 1.5 hours. The ratio is equal to 1:3. Next concept is equivalent ratio. For finding equivalent ratio, first you have to write fraction for the given ratio, and next you have to multiply or divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. Let's see one example. 5:8. First step you have to write as fraction, right? So your fraction is 5/8. For finding equivalent ratio, you have to multiply the denominator and numerator by the same number. First I am going to multiply it with 2. You will get answer as 10/16. How you will write ratio for this? 10 is to 16. And next I am going to multiply it with 3, both denominator and numerator, and you will get answer as 15 by 24. How you will write ratio for this? 15 is to 24. And next I am going to multiply it with 4. You will get answer as 20 by 32. You have to write ratio. So 20 is to 32. So 10 is to 16 and 15 is to 24. 20 is to 32 are the equivalent ratios of 5 is to 8. Next, let's see one word problems. In exercise 12.1, 15th question, mother wants to divide rupees 36 between her daughter Shreya and Bhumika in the ratio of their ages. If age of Shreya is 15 years and age of Bhumika is 12 years, find how much Shreya and Bhumika will get. Now we are going to find ratio, right? First, you have to write the given data. So, your given data is ratio of Shreya and Bhumika's age. Your question is Shreya and Bhumika's age, right? So, you have to write ratio according to your question. So, Shreya and Bhumika's age. Shreya's age is 15 years and Bhumika's age is 12 years. Now, how you will write ratio? Shreya to Bhumika, right? So, Shreya's age is 15 years and Bhumika's age is 12 years. Shall we reduce this ratio? Yes, both will divisible by 3. So 5 3s are 15 and 4 3s are 12. So the ratio is 5 is to 4. Now you found the ratio of their ages, right? So 5 is to 4. Now we are going to divide the 36 rupees in the ratio of 5 is to 4. Already we have found the ratio of Shreya and Bhumika's age, right? 5 is to 4. Now we are going to find sum of their age ratio. So 5 is to 4 already have found. Now we are going to add these two. So you will get 9. The sum of age ratio is 9. Next, you have to find a part of your share. Total, you are having how many pence, how many rupees? 36 rupees. You are going to divide into 9 parts, right? So, you will get answer as, if you divide 36 and 9, both will divisible by 9. You will get answer as 4 by 1, which is equal to 4. You have to divide the 36. In the part of your share is 4, right? Now, shall we find for Shreya's share? First, Shreya's age ratio is 5, right? So, 5. Your part of your share is 4. You have to multiply it. You will get answer as 20. So, Shreya's share is rupees 20. Next, we are going to find Bhumika's share. Bhumika's age ratio is 4 and part of your share is 4. You have to multiply these two. You will get answer as rupees 16. So, Shreya will get rupees 20 and Bhumika will get rupees 16. Now, shall we check your answer? Right, yes. Total amount is 36, right? So, Shreya got 20 rupees and Bhumika got 16 rupees. You will get answer as 30. Both are equal. So, your answer is correct. That's it, students. We completed our today's session. For writing classwork, first you have to write exercise 12.1 question number 12. Next, find ratio. We have discussed 4 sums, right? A, B, C and D. Next, equivalent ratio 1 sum. 5 is to 8, right? Next, in exercise 12.1 question number 15, write these sums in your classwork. And for homework, write exercise 12.1 question number 14. Write your homework in your classwork itself. Dear students, refer video and write your classwork properly. Thank you, students.